How to find Upwork promo codes. In this quick video, I'm going to show you where or how you can find Upwork active promo codes. Now, before you go ahead and log in into your Upwork account, you might want to have pull up any preferred web browser, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now, when it comes to discounts, coupon codes, and deals, what you want to have to go is going to be couponchief.com. And once you're here, all you have to do is to go into search stores and type in Upwork. Click on the first result, and here are the specific deals that you can get. Now you just need to read the terms and condition and as well as the inclusion of the selected deal that you prefer. For you to obtain the code, just simply hit this option here. It says get deal, and it will automatically provide you the unique codes. And that's it. That's how you find promo codes on Upwork.